Before installation, we recommend checking each transducer is fully operational by plugging it into a control unit and checking the LED goes green. When installing transducers, please make sure you wear correct PPE and safety equipment. Before starting, make sure you have all the items you need. This includes Loctite HY4070 adhesive, Loctite SF7515 surface prep, and Loctite SI5900 sealant. You will also require solvent cleaner and deionized or distilled water. You will also require abrasives such as a flap disc or emery cloth. Please check and read the installation guide you have been supplied. Double check the installation plan you have been given, offer up the transducer to the correct location and draw around it with a marker pen. Before using any abrasives, clean the area thoroughly with solvent cleaner. You may need to do this multiple times to ensure you have the cleanest area possible. Now wash the area thoroughly with distilled or deionized water. This will remove all salts from the area. Using your abrasives, remove all paint and oxidation from the area. Your goal is to achieve a clean bare metal or composite surface. Now repeat the cleaning process with the solvent cleaner. You may need to do this multiple times. The goal is to have a completely clean cloth when you're finished. Once complete, rewash again with fresh water, but this time in a smaller area so as not to flush contaminants into the clean zone. Repeat the freshwater wash for a final time. Make sure your cloth is completely clean when you're finished. Decant your Loctite SF7515 surface preparation fluid into a small container. Then apply the fluid to the clean transducer location. Allow the fluid to react on the surface for at least 1 minute. Then with a clean cloth, dab off any excess fluid and allow it to dry completely. Now repeat steps 1 to 8 on the transducer to ensure that the transducer face is fully prepared for bonding. Before commencing the bonding process, open and set up your Loctite HY4070 syringe. Now apply the adhesive in a zigzag serpentine fashion to ensure the whole transducer face gets a good coverage. Use a spatula or similar device to spread the adhesive evenly across the transducer face. Quickly move the transducer into position and apply a firm pressure until the adhesive grips. This may take between 5 seconds and 1 minute. To seal the bond, first prepare your syringe of Loctite SI 5900 sealant. To do this, remove the plunger and the nozzle. Use a sharp knife and open the syringe by slicing off the end cap. Fit the nozzle on the syringe and using a sharp knife again, cut it to allow a 5mm bead. Fit the plunger into the back of the syringe. Now apply a bead of sealant right around the transducer to protect against future contaminants. For best results, use a spatula to smooth out the bead and create a professional finish. Your transducer is now correctly installed. Leave the transducer disconnected from the control unit for 24 hours to allow the adhesive to fully cure. If you need to use a pipe adapter on your transducer, clean and prepare these in the same manner as we have just shown. Apply the adhesive as instructed on the clean and prepared transducer. Then, using the threaded locating dowel, screw the cleaned and prepared pipe adapter to the transducer face and tighten firmly. Then repeat the process on the scallop side of the adapter and bond to the pipe or curved component in the same manner as before. Now remember, wear PPE, read the manual, check your location plan and clean thoroughly. If you require any further assistance, please email technical@ultraguard-antifouling.com.